The Indic manufacturing facility is outfitted with state-of-the-art infrastructure, from leading equipment suppliers to meet and exceed all of our customers' manufacturing needs. Our facilities are optimally designed and deployed to cater to prototypes and low-high mixed volume manufacturing with a real-time quality management system. Indic boasts of a best-in-class, lead-free, environmentally responsible, RoHS-compliant assembly process to produce high-quality, low-cost, surface-mounted, and mixed technology PCB. Recognizing that reduced manufacturing, time, and time to market are an essential aspect of our product's success, Indic provides you with a program manager, cross-functional program teams, and presents you with strategies and feedback to ensure your products launch into volume production on time. Going a step ahead, Indic also offers supply chain management solutions and order fulfillment services suited to your requirements. With our Work Instruction Control System, Indic offers unprecedented process control and feedback to fine-tune the manufacturing process and achieve continuous improvement of the product. Indic provides optimized system integration and assembly and an efficient testing strategy to fulfill the unique requirements of the customer. Indic can help your company meet the latest market demands by manufacturing advanced products and solutions in several core technologies, all under one roof.